Did you know history's wisest emperor made the one decision that started Rome's collapse? Marcus Aurelius spent his entire reign writing about virtue, self-control, and the dangers of unchecked power. He believed deeply that the best man should lead Rome, not just the emperor's son. And for nearly a century before him, that system had worked perfectly. Rome's greatest rulers had each chosen their most capable successor, not their blood. Marcus knew this. He wrote about it. Then he handed the empire to Commodus, his own son, a teenager obsessed with gladiator fights who would later rename Rome after himself and declare himself a living god. Within years of Marcus dying in 180 AD, Commodus was strangling senators, executing rivals on a whim, and unraveling everything his father had built. Rome never fully recovered. Historians still argue about why Marcus broke his own rule: love for his son, fear of civil war, or maybe just the exhaustion of a sick man at the end of a long, brutal reign. The wisest emperor, the worst choice.